Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
आणि शॉर्ट टर्म जे इश्यूज आहात हे भुरग्यांचे जे ऑनलायन मागतात. न्यू नॉर्मल इज ऑनलायन. तर आमचे तरुण पिळगेक जे आमचे जनरेशन नेक्स्ट जे आमची जे पिलर्स ऑफ द फ्युचर म्हणटात आमी तांकां तो दुयेंसाक फेस करपाक लायता फोर्सान. तांचें एक म्हणणें आहा आनी आमी आमचो पक्ष तांकां पूर्णपणान पाठिंबो दिता. वी ऑल्सो बिलीव वॉट दे से इज रायट की फाल्यां जर एका मनशाक कोवीड जालें, कोणा खातीर जालें, एक एग्जामी हो कोण तो सुपरवायझर ताजे खातीर जालें वो आनी एक दुसऱ्या भुरग्या खातीर जालें जाल्यार ताका रिपीट केलें म्हणून येतलें. तो ताजी जेन्ना ग्रेड जातली ताजें मार्कशीट दाखयतले तेन्ना तो फेल जाल्लो भुरगो म्हणून येतलो. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन जें आहा बसींनी तांकां पॅक करून व्हरतात ते गव्हर्मेंट सिक्युरिटी दिता तांकां ना. लॉ हातून अशें आहा की मार्चाच्यान एग्जामी जावंक ना. तांणी क्लियर कट सांगला की दुयेंस कोरोना व्हायरस पॅन्डेमीक वतकूच एग्जामी जातल्यो म्हणून. लॉ स्ट्रिमान जर कायदो एक आहा जाल्यार दुसऱ्या स्ट्रिमांनी कायदो दुसरो कसो.
They want us to answer offline. When everything was taught to us online, why should we answer offline? The difficulty to understand what we were taught is at a high level. We can't understand what they're teaching. So we can't answer directly. We need more time to study also. Secondly, when we had offline lectures in college, we were like having 60 lectures in a first semester to teach. And this year we have only 30 lectures per subject. How can teachers teach 80 marks in 30 lectures?
Then the college is not responsible. That is what is written on the SOP. So if we get COVID, is it our fault? Is it our fault that we are getting COVID? And if we get COVID, then they are saying that you all will be given a back and it will be written on the mark sheet as second attempt. This is not done. COVID is not our fault. It's not our mistake.